A festive favorite, the Thanksgiving cactus, is a vibrant and festive plant that brings a splash of color to the holiday season. Its bright, cheerful blooms are a welcome sight as the days grow shorter and colder. This unique plant is not only beautiful, but also quite fascinating. Unlike its desert-dwelling cousins, this cactus thrives in the warmth of our homes, gracing us with stunning blooms just in time for Thanksgiving. The Thanksgiving cactus, with its lush green foliage and vibrant flowers, adds a touch of nature's beauty to any indoor space. It's a perfect way to bring the outdoors in, especially during the colder months. Native to the rainforests of Brazil, the Thanksgiving cactus prefers a humid environment and indirect sunlight. This makes it an ideal houseplant, as it can thrive in the same conditions that are comfortable for us. Its cascading branches, adorned with colorful flowers, make it a delightful centerpiece or decorative accent for any room. Whether placed on a windowsill, a mantel, or as a table centerpiece, it never fails to impress. Also known as the crab cactus or holiday cactus, it is relatively easy to care for. Its segmented stems, which resemble crab claws, give it a distinctive look that adds to its charm. This plant is a perfect choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners. Its low-maintenance nature means that even those new to plant care can enjoy its beauty without much hassle. With a little understanding of its needs, you can enjoy its vibrant blooms year after year. Regular watering, proper lighting, and occasional feeding are all it takes to keep this plant happy and healthy. Let's explore the secrets to keeping your Thanksgiving cactus healthy and thriving. From the right soil mix to the perfect watering schedule, we'll cover everything you need to know. Ensuring a spectacular floral display each holiday season is easier than you might think. With the right care, your Thanksgiving cactus will reward you with a stunning show of blooms year after year. So, let's dive in and discover how to make the most of this beautiful plant, ensuring it remains a highlight of your holiday decor for many seasons to come. The Thanksgiving cactus is often confused with its close relatives, the Christmas cactus and Easter cactus. These three types of cacti are popular houseplants, especially during the holiday season, and they are often mistaken for one another due to their similar appearance and blooming patterns. However, subtle differences in their leaf structure can help you distinguish them. By paying close attention to the shape and texture of the leaves, you can accurately identify which type of cactus you have. The Thanksgiving cactus features flattened, segmented stems, often referred to as cladodes. These stems are not only unique in their appearance, but also play a crucial role in the plant's overall health and growth. These segments have 2 to 4 pointed teeth or claws along their edges, giving them a crab claw-like appearance. This distinctive feature sets the Thanksgiving cactus apart from its relatives, making it easier to identify. The flowers of the Thanksgiving cactus typically bloom in shades of red, pink, orange, or white, emerging from the tips of the stems. These vibrant blooms add a splash of color to any indoor space and are a key indicator of a healthy plant. When selecting a Thanksgiving cactus, look for a plant with healthy, plump segments and vibrant green coloration. These characteristics indicate that the plant is well-nourished and properly cared for, ensuring it will thrive in your home. Avoid plants with wilting stems, dry or shriveled segments, or any signs of pests or diseases. These issues can be difficult to remedy and may affect the overall health and longevity of your cactus. By choosing a healthy plant, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of your Thanksgiving cactus for many years to come. While the Thanksgiving cactus appreciates bright light, direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves. Place your cactus near a window with filtered sunlight, such as an east-facing window that receives gentle morning sun. Avoid placing it in south-facing windows where intense afternoon sun can be harmful. If your home lacks sufficient natural light, you can supplement with artificial grow lights. Place the lights about 12 inches above the plant and provide 12 to 14 hours of light per day. Remember, adequate light is crucial for healthy growth and vibrant blooms. One of the most important aspects of Thanksgiving cactus care is proper watering. This is crucial for the health and longevity of your plant. These cacti are epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants in their natural habitat and obtain moisture from the air and rainfall. This unique characteristic influences how we should water them in our homes. Therefore, they prefer a slightly moist environment, but are susceptible to root rot if overwatered. It's a delicate balance that requires attention and care, Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. This helps prevent overwatering and ensures the roots have enough oxygen. Water thoroughly, ensuring the entire root ball is moistened, and allow any excess water to drain away. This mimics the natural rainfall they would receive in the wild. Avoid letting the pot sit in standing water, as this can lead to root rot. Proper drainage is essential to keep your Thanksgiving cactus healthy and thriving.